Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back again today. Let me turn down the heater. On the road again, heading back to Rocky Fork Ranch Resort. It is the week of Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Appreciate you stopping by. We are down here in a cabin again. Too cold for the camper. Yeah, didn't bring it down. Although I did rent a site, I just decided the water shut off, so there's really no reason to bring it down. And I had plans to bring my parents down and possibly my brother, in which I would have brought the camper, but unfortunately my parents cannot come down, so it is just going to be the three of us, my wife and daughter. So we are in L700 this time. So up on top of the hill again, Captain Circle L107. We'll do just as we did last time, do a nice walkthrough and check it out, see what it's all about. This one's a little bit different layout. 6 sleeper, not an 8 sleeper. So pretty quiet down here. A lot different off season. Kind of pretty with no leaves on trees and pretty quiet. But I'll go get checked in and we'll head on up to the cabin. I don't know what kind of activities they have this weekend or this week. We'll find out. All right, stay put. Okay, simple enough. Went in, checked in, walked in, walked out. She gave me the forms. I got the key. It's going up. Let's see what this is all about, guys, gals. Should be a decent week down here. We've had very cold, snowy, dreary weather the last 2 to 3 weeks. This next week it's actually supposed to be above freezing, which is the way it's supposed to be. For November, usually it's not this cold yet. This is a late December, January weather pattern we've seen. Usually we're not this cold for that period of time. Like the ponds and stuff are freezing right now, which is very early. Yeah, very early. But we're supposed to be freezing, supposed to be sunny. Should be able to get some nice videos. We'll do some walks, do some walk talks. Maybe go for a couple drives. We'll see. Nothing planned, so should be good. I took the week off. I'm on vacation officially, so I don't have to worry about working. Alright, here we are. Let's go up the hill. Alright. Always a bump right there. Up on the left are the cabins we'll be staying in. See if there's anybody here. Off to the right are the pull-throughs and Apologize for the sun. Oh, I got one person up here in the cabin. Alright. Oh, there's somebody down there on the end too. There's a couple people down there. Alright. Yeah, I see some people up here. Alright, 107 straight ahead. 107. I've been saying 107, huh? It's L700. Alright, awesome. Let's go check it out.